Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the next video. So in this video we are going to discuss about how to take infinite numbers from the user. In the sense, until and unless user enters a negative number or some other criteria, we are going to accept the input from user. So in that case, what will be the type of array which we'll be using, and how to write a condition so that whenever the user enters a negative number, our loop should terminate, and whatever numbers the user has entered previously, that should be stored inside some array or anything else if you are using. So in that case, at the end I should be able to get all the positive numbers which the user entered, and I shouldn't get the negative number. In the sense, what I'm just telling is, so let us say you are given with 12 is one element, after that you enter 34, after that you enter 56, after that you enter 78. So once you enter a negative number, let us say -1, the loop should terminate and it should save 12, 34, 56 and 78, and -1 it should not use. That means whenever I enter any negative number, my loop should go with break, and whatever positive numbers I will enter, they should be stored inside an array. So if it is your problem statement, then you are on the right video guys. I'm going to tell you exactly how to do that one in very simple and few steps. Okay, so just watch this video completely, and yeah, that's it. I'll just start the code now. So what will be the approach if you just think I need to use one while loop, and inside while loop I need to use one if condition. So one more thing important is, I cannot go with array here because we know that arrays are of fixed size. That means I have to first initialize the array with the size. That means I will be telling to the compiler that initialize or reserve some space for this array. So I need to tell that, okay, so I'm going to enter 10 elements, so reserve space for 10 elements. Okay, so but here we don't know that at what time we are going to enter a negative number. That means I don't know exactly how many elements I'm going to enter in this case. So that's why we'll not go with array guys, we're going with array list here. So the difference between array and array list is that array list are fixed, they are dynamic. So array list are dynamic. So dynamic means their size changes automatically. So as the elements increases, their size changes. In the sense how it will change, so initially any array list will be having 10 capacity. That means it can hold 10 elements. Once these 10 elements are filled and you are trying to insert another element, then its size will be increased by current array list into 3 by 2. So that is the formula which is used by JVM. So that means it will be increasing, it will automatically increase it. So that case we need not to worry about how many elements we are going to insert. So that's why I'm going with array list instead of array. So that is enough explanation about the things, and now I will start coding. So before that I just need to import some libraries because I'm using scanner class. So I will write import java.util.star. That is all the libraries I want to import at a time. So I will write java.util.star. So once I have written this one, then I will create an object for scanner class. So scanner sc equal to new scanner, and inside this I have to write system.in. So this will be used to take the input from user. So I created a scanner class. Now I will define an array list. So how we define array list? Just write array list and give one name. So I will give it as array1. So array1 is user defined. You can give any name guys. Okay, so after that write like this array list, and basically we are creating object of array list. That's it. Okay, so now I'm done creating the array list. Okay, so now I will just print some message for the user saying that, okay, so what I can see here, I'll say enter array elements. That will be fine. Yes, yeah. So I'll say enter the array elements. So this will be printed on the console. After that, here I need to use one flag. So that's when I will define this one boolean flag equal to true. I will define first I will make it as true. So boolean flag equal to true, that I am initializing a boolean variable called flag. Okay, so once I have done that one, then I will use one while loop, and I will write while flag. That means while true. So whenever the flag is true, okay, so we need not to write flag equal to true. So while flag equal to true, this is also okay. But if I don't write flag equal to true is also okay, guys. It will take it as default true only. So while true, it will check. So if the condition satisfied, then what I will do? I will take one variable, local variable int a, and here I will write sc dot next int method. So this will basically take the next int method is basically used to take the input from the user. So that's why it is used to take the input, and after that I will check the condition. So if okay, so if I will check a is greater than 0, that means I shouldn't have negative number. So anything which is greater than 0 is called as positive. So that's why I will say that if whatever the user has entered, it is stored in a, and that a, if it is greater than 0, then only add it to the array list, otherwise don't add. So what I will write, if it is greater than 0, that means it's a positive number. I need to add it to the array 1. So I will write here like this. What is the array list? Now name array 1, and we know that add method is used to add the objects. So add, and here I will pass a. So whatever the a value is there, that will be added into the array list. Okay. So this is for the positive case. Suppose the user enters. Suppose user enters negative number, then it will be executing this else condition, and here I will turn this flag to false, because once the user enters one negative number, I will not wait for the user for other number. That means I will be breaking the input taking sequence there itself. So I will say false. So that means this while loop is going to break once it executes flag equal to false, because it is currently true, and if it is turned to false, that means the negative number has been entered by the user, and I need to stop at this moment. So this will print, and this will take the array, guys. Okay. So I'll just show you, but I'm not printing the array here. Okay. So here you can see. I'll just execute this one once, and after that I will show you how to move all these array list elements to array, guys. Got it? Yeah. So launching demo to 100%. Okay, come on. Yeah. So this is it, and I will enter 1, after that 2, after that 3, after that 4, after that 5, and if I enter -1, and yeah, the array list has been taken here. Okay. So it is asking for the elements. Fine. Now all these elements are stored inside this array 1. Now what I will do, guys, basically whatever elements are there inside array 1, those elements have been moving into array list. Array list. So array 1 is of type array list. Now I will take those elements and convert them to an array. So how I can do that one? Basically, I will initialize one array. Okay, so whose name is array 2. This is array 2. Array 1 is of type array list, and array 2 is of type array. Okay, so be careful about that one. So after that, just to print the elements, I'm converting it to, guys. So I'm converting array list to array here. Nothing much. Okay. So and its size should be array1 dot size. Okay. So array1 dot size. Whatever the size of this array1 is there, the same size of array2 should be there. Okay. So after that, I will use one for loop, a simple for loop, where I will be starting from like int I is equal to 0, and I should be less than array1 dot size. Okay, so array1 dot size function I will use. After that, I plus plus, and here I will write like this: array2 of I. Okay, so array2 of I is equal to array1 of array1, and as it is an array list, I need to use get method here. So array1 dot get of I. So array2 dot get of I, and it will show one error, that is external typecasting is needed, guys. Okay, so whenever you are converting from array list to array, we need to use external typecasting to integer type. So I will write int here, and yeah, this will work now. Okay, so fine. Now I am converting my array list to array. So once you are converted to array, then I can print it easily. How I can do that one? Let me just show you over here. Okay, so what I can say, I will use for each loop. For int I is to array2, that means for each and every element inside array2, system.out.println I plus space here. So this will make sure that each and every element inside array2 will be printed. So now I will enter the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After that I will enter -1. So you can see it is entering only the positive numbers, and they are on the next line. I don't want them on the next line, so I will remove ln, and here you will be able to see that it will be printed on the same line. So if I hit enter, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so these are the elements which are entered, and it is taking only positive numbers, and whenever I enter negative number, it will not take. And yeah, this is working fine. And let me just show some for other examples, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After that -1, 9, 8, and 67, 44. So it should not take any element which is entered after -1, right? So, and you can see here it is working fine. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 it will take, and whatever we enter after -1 it will not take, because it is breaking the loop here itself at -1. So this is how you can take any number of elements from the user with the help of a simple while loop and one for loop. Okay, so this is basically whatever I have written over here. This is to convert from array list to array, guys. This is not necessary actually. So if you just want to print array itself, then you can array list itself, then you can use the iterator method. But I don't want to use iterator method, as we are familiar with array. So that's why I have converted that array list to array, and then I have printed the array. But this core logic is to take the input from user, only this much. Got it? So that's it in this video, guys. And if you want to access this code, it will be in the description. So you just click on the link below, and you will be able to find this code in this fashion itself. I mean, in this editor itself, you can just copy it from there. So that's it about the today's session. I hope you enjoyed this one. So if you found it useful, then please do consider subscribing to the channel, and if you hit a like button, then it will be awesome. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. See you in the next one. Have a nice day.